Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Won't compromise with Manohar Parrikar, says Babush Monserrate. As per High Court order, candidates who had filed applications to contest the mayor's election, no new names to surface. State celebrates Holi, its colors all around. People wish for happiness and joy. Nine accidents in Verna Vasco area on Holi Day. Fortunately, no casualties till now. Election Commission says Governor can decide on disqualification of a sitting MLA if the incidents triggering petition have happened after the election and not before it. Rules in Glen Thicklaw case. And all Goa machinery owners press for the demands. Arrest former CM Digambar Kamath responsible for mining scam. Resume legal mining. Now the news in detail. No compromise with Parrikar on CCP issue. The question doesn't arise. I will not ruin my prospects by going for a settlement with the CM. These are the firm words of Babush Monserrate. He said that CCP polls will be held as per the High Court orders and no new candidate will be allowed to surface. Babush says candidates who had filed nominations for the post of mayor, only those will be contesting for April 4 CCP mayor poll.
Word was out that Babush Monserrate has compromised with Manohar Parrikar over CCP mayor fiasco. Babush Monserrate has refuted these rumours in sharp words. He says he has 16 corporators with him, hence there is no question of compromise.
Compromise on what part? How can there be a compromise? Compromise जावंक शकता. हांव इतलें उलोवन मागीर compromise म्हणजे हांवें अहें करपाचें म्हणजे जोतें म्हाजें तोंडार मारलें कशें जाता तें. There is no question of compromise at all. My stand is very clear on the issue of municipal election, and I am very firm on that in this thing. So the mayor, our mayor candidate is Mr. Surendra Furtad, and deputy mayor is Bento Lawrence. I is the credibility chief minister जी देवला या municipality election लागो जे पद्धतीन तेणे election cancel केला आनी मेवलें कितें ultimately हांव कितें इतलें सांगूंक सोदता मेवलें कितें इतलें करूं सपोज इवन ते इलेक्शना पयले तर लागून म्हाका येवन सांगलेलें बाबा बराबर ते तुजे आदलो प्रपोजल आसलो तो लेट अस रिवायव दॅट प्रपोजल म्हटलें जाल्यार तरीच म्हाका चलपाचें तेन्ना सो म्हाका इंट्रस्ट काय नासलें
पण सध्या ते सगळे मॅटर जाले उपरांत बीजेपीतले कोणी तरी तुमकां कॉन्टॅक्ट करपाचो प्रयत्न
ना पळय हांव पळय कॉन्टॅक्ट करपाचें प्रश्न जाय तेणी म्हाका कॉन्टॅक्ट करून आनी हांवें कोणाक कॉन्टॅक्ट करूं ना
But not a single corporator from BJP camp is ready to utter a word. Even Tony Rodriguez has preferred to stay mum on the issue. He says, let us wait till 4th April. Surendra Furtado has appealed BJP-backed corporators to support him for a better Panji. But he has cleared that mayor and deputy mayor both would be from his group.
आमी सगळे 16 कावन्सिलर एकठांय आसा कसली काळजी करपाचें ना कोणें कांय चिंतपाचें ना जायते रुमर जाता मार्केटान म्हाजी एकूच मागणी की आमी 16 जाण आहा मनोहर पर्रीकर बरो मनीस पण तेजे पळय सरावंडींग लोक आहा न्हू तेका ते किडयता म्हाजी अपील तेका की तूं पणजेचो MLA तूं गोंयचो चीफ मिनिस्टर तूं म्हाका सपोर्ट कर कित्याक म्हाजे कडेन हें ना म्हाजे कडेन ऑलरेडी 16 आहा पणजे खातीर आनी पणजेच्या लोकां खातीर कितें आमी करचें म्हणून आमी चीफ मिनिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकर बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांव आनी म्हाजे सगळे उरलेले कावन्सिलर एकठांय जावन एक पणजे सामकें डेव्हलप करुया.
As per government reply before the High Court, the candidates who have already filed their nominations will be allowed to contest the poll. No new faces can surface. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with Devendra Gaonkar and Chetan Gawas.
Goans were soaked in colors and joy on Wednesday, celebrating Holi. People painted each other with traditional pitchkaris and colors. Capital city's main Holi celebration are held at Azad Maidan every year. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar was there along with Panjukars. But Holi in mining belt was not the same how it used to be earlier. Shigma celebrations have kicked off from Wednesday onwards. Watch our report.
हर एक का जीवन भी ऐसा रंग भरा हो, इतनी शुभकामना दे दूंगा।
देखो आई होली, रंग लाई होली, चली पिचकारी उड़ा है गुलाल।
होली की है घटा मैंने झूठा, रंग छलके है नीले हर लाल।
देखो आई
एकवटान परिवर्तन येवपाक गरज ना, एकवट तसोच आसूंक जाय, गोंयचें अस्तित्व राखूंक जाय येता ते वर्सान आनी सगळे समाज, सगळे जातीचे आनी सगळे धर्माचे लोकांक गोंयचो प्रोग्रेस जावपा खातीर कितें तें फुडें पळोवंक जाय।
ही होळी आमी साजरी करतात गेली अखंड 18 वर्सां आनी हे आज 19वें वर्स आनी ह्या वर्सा तशीच सगळे हिंदू कॅथलीक सगळे भाव ही होळी साजरी करतात। पयली
बिहार, देखो आई होली रंग
कोई रंगे आओ के बाल।
It was the day of accidents in the port town of Goa on the day of Holi. Holi revelers travelling on motorbikes at Manohar Hill had a head-on collision with another motorcycle. A tourist vehicle banged a motorcyclist on the way to Holland Beach, while a Maruti van turtled at City Bus Stand after it had a head-on collision with a motorcyclist carrying 3 riders. Altogether, Vasco and Verna areas reported 9 accidents since morning. Fortunately, there were no casualties in all these accidents.
Holi, the festival of colors and joy, turned out to be a nightmare for some. 2 motorbikes had a head-on collision at Manohar Hill. Accident was reported on a slopey road near Ambabai temple. Injured Bawal Saab Attar, Vitthal Walekar and Sangappa Patil were admitted at Chikli Cottage Hospital, but looking at the level of injuries, they were shifted to GMC. In another accident, a tourist vehicle banged 2 motorbikes on the way to Holland Beach. Altogether, 4 people were injured. Driver of the tourist vehicle fled from the scene. Santosh Naik has sustained head injuries and is admitted at Chikli Hospital, while Frankie Pereira, Clinton Thomas and Somen Borkar were discharged following minor bruises. In the third accident, a Maruti van turtled at Vasco City bus stand. A motorbike carrying 3 persons was crossing the lane and in a bid to race ahead banged against a Maruti van, which turtled following huge impact. There were 2 adults and 2 kids travelling in the van. Fortunately, they all escaped with minor injuries. Pillion riders Daniel Dias, Ashfaq Nadaf and Govind Mirke are shifted to Chikli. Rajan Vengullekar, aged woman Pushpavati Vengullekar, 5 years old Sakshi Vengullekar and 8 years old Sanika Vengullekar are undergoing treatment. Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.